Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to share with you this makeup look right here that I did only one makeup brand, okay? So that is from Fashion 21. And this is going to be a collaboration video with Miss Chinky Nazareno here on YouTube. I'll be placing her link and the video on the description box below. And please do subscribe to her channel. Nahiya nga ako sa kanya kasi medyo late na akong gumawa ng collab video for us. Pero, ito na siya. Ito na yung look na ginawa ko. This is a very simple look. I guarantee you, lahat ng napamili ko are very affordable. So, ito nga pala. Namili ako ng mga makeup from Fashion 21. Namili ako sa SM Department Store. And ito nga pala ang aking bare face. Walang something. There's nothing on my face right now. Even sa aking kilay. May pimple pa nga ako sa kilay. Diyos ko Lord, pati dito may pimple. Ayan. Ayan, pagkita nyo, diba? May mga small veins ako dyan, kahit saan dyan. And, I'm wearing a choker right now. Wala lang, gusto ko lang i-promote ang aking friend. Kasi, gusto niya kasi na suotin ko to for my video. So, ayan, suot ko siya ngayon. And, wala pa siyang shop. For the meantime, ako muna magsusuot ng mga choker niya. Okay? So, ayan. Bagay ba? Comment below. So, ayun, again, the makeup that I bought are all from Fashion 21. Ang una ko munang kukunin ay itong Fashion 21 SPF 50 Perfect Stick. This one cost me 185 pesos. So, ayan siya. Medyo light siya ata sa akin. Pero, I'm in the color beige. Pala, I am not a makeup professional. I'm just a makeup enthusiast. Then I'm going to use my fingers. By the way, my hands are clean, so need not to comment down below to nasasabihin nyo madumi ba ang kamay ko, kadiri. Clean siya. Ayan, tingnan nyo, ang puti! Ang puti niya. Sabi ni ate sales lady, maganda daw sa skin ko. Daya niya. Nilagay ko dito sabi ko parang ang puti masyado. Iba talaga yung mga sales lady na yan, no? Napaka-convincing. Ang puti! Ngayon naman gagamit tayo ng powder. This is a dewy cake with SPF 35+. With milk moisturizers. Sana hindi naman ito medyo maputi, please. Ito yung packaging niya. Ayan. And I'm in the shade of number 3. Huwag kayong magko-comment masyado ng medyo rude. Parang baguhan pala ako sa makeup, please. So, ayan. Ito siya. Medyo yellowish siya. So, sana matone down niya ang kaputian ng aking face. And it also comes with a sponge. Oh my God! Sabi naman ako. Medyo nagtuunaw na ba? Sabi ni Nikki Tutorials, kailangan daw pinapat mo lang yung product sa face mo. Kasi, ang tendency ay nabubura mo din yung product. Yung foundation stick na, or kung ano man ang nilagay mo, kung foundation na yan, or whatever. Medyo nagiging yellow siya, no? Gamit tayo ng brush just to remove the excess powder on our face. Medyo feeling ko naging okay na siya. Yan. Okay. Ayan. Okay na siya, diba? Sabi ko naman sa inyo maaayos din yan, diba? Puro base muna tayo ngayon na. Ito ay from Fashion 21 again. And this one is in the shade of M01. Dahil ayoko nang gumamit ng iba pang brush, I'm going to use this powder brush. Next is for the eyebrows. Ito siya. This is in the shade of EB Duo number 2. May kasama na siyang angled brush sa loob. So, yun na lang yung gagamitin ko. Ayan. And then, I'm gonna choose this one. Medyo malambot siya, pero it'll do. Perfect to for students kasi may kasama na nga siyang angled brush. Kasi diba yung iba, kailangan pa nilang bumili ng brush. One down. Medyo flimsy lang yung brush, but it's fine, You can work on it. You can just build up the color. And then whatever's left on the brush, I apply it on my nose. And then blend it with your finger. As for the eyes, I'm not a very eyeshadowy person. I really don't use eyeshadow on an everyday basis. However, I would like to utilize each and every product that I have here with me para naman mapakita ko sa inyo na ang mga gamit na ito ay versatile. So, aside from being an eyebrow powder duo, you can actually use this as your eyeliner, even as your eyeshadow. I'm going to get my fluffy brush. This is from A-List. Just dab it there. Then, tap off any excess and then apply it. Malapit lang sa upper lash line nyo. We just want this to be subtle. Diba? Isang product lang yan pero napakaraming use. You can also use this as your contour. Then after that, I'm going to use my lip liner from Fashion 21 again. So, ayan siya. Ito siya. Going to do a cat eye look. Oh my God, this is very hard. Tagal-tagal ko na din nag-eyeliner. Actually, hindi talaga ako nag-eyeliner. Okay, so, gawin ko ng kabila. Bear with me, people. This is really hard. Okay, I survived. Thank you, Lord. Nahirapan talaga ako. Oh my God. Pero okay. Woo! Okay, now you have the right to judge me. Ayan, go and judge me. But it's fine. My God, thank you, Lord. Totally done with the eyeliner. I'm going to be curling my lashes. And then I'm going to put on my favorite mascara. This is the Fashion 21 Double Up Mascara. And now, for the fun part, I have here with me the All Day Matte Lipstick. And this one is in the shade of Russet. Ganda. Ganda na bullet niya, oh. Medyo dark siya, diba? And hindi ko siya ilalagay sa buong lips ko. Kasi I'm not that type who put lipstick all over my lips. Ayan. And then, I use my pinky finger. Diba? Ang ganda. Just a very simple look. So that is it for my video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. And if you do like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please do subscribe to my channel para ma-notify kayo kung meron akong mga bagong videos. I'll be changing again my schedule. Medyo naging hectic ako this week. So I think I'll change it to weekends na lang yung pag-upload ko. Hindi na Friday. Pero gagawin ko na siyang Saturday or Sunday para every week meron akong video for you guys. And if you have any questions or any video requests, just comment them down below. Thank you guys again for watching and I will definitely see you on the next video. Bye-bye!